Here it is, Tuesday, the 28th, year 2020, and I've finally finished putting together the Paulk Total Station 2 video series showing you how to build it. It's been a big project, probably 1,000 hours, but who's counting? It's finally done in 14 parts. Well, 13 parts are done and uploaded. The 14th will be my final thoughts. I still need to finish that up. Here you see a minute and a half or so beginning to end from part 1 to part 13. I do take my time and show you how to do each and every step. Hopefully I've covered everything, along with the highly detailed plans. So it's time. Get yourself a set of plans for the Smart Total Station, also known as the Paulk Total Station 2. Get your materials together, get a hot cup of coffee, watch the series, and then get to the shop and build it for yourself. Part 1 goes live Thursday, the 30th, 2020 at 11 a.m. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll know when each part goes live. Thanks for stopping in. Have a great day.